आपको कोई ऐसा इंसान जानता हो जो अभी तक मैरिड नहीं है और उसको शादी कर लेनी चाहिए? मेरे माइंड में भी एक ऐसा पर्सन है। आइए देखते हैं क्या आप और मैं उस बंदे के बारे में ही सोच रहे हैं। अगर यस हुआ, दैट मीन्स उस बंदे को सच में शादी कर लेनी चाहिए।
Attempt IELTS exam successfully with IELTS Academic or IELTS GD Success courses by Ramandeep sir to achieve 100% success in the IELTS exam in your first attempt. Courses are well structured, divided into days, each day covering all the 4 different modules of the IELTS exam. Complete the assignments and follow elaborated explanations of Ramandeep sir. Learn the effective tips and tricks of IELTS. Get access to hundreds of videos and test and study material just at a marginal cost. Courses available at 50% discount. Check them now.
Hi friends, how are you doing today? I hope you remember a few days ago I shared a video with you. Here is the link of the video in which I shared some of the most important writing topics with you for 2021. That means if you are going to take the IELTS exam in this year, these are some of the essays the examiner may ask you. So if you have not watched the video and made the list of the essays, I highly recommend you to check this video first. Note down all the essays that I'm sharing with you and continue to watch this video and append these essays in your list. So let's start without wasting too much time with today's first essay that the examiners may ask you in the IELTS exam in 2021. And the essay is going to be: nowadays, more tasks at home and work are being performed by robots. Is this a positive or a negative development? And earlier, the examiners were asking that the use of machines for doing the household chores is increasing. Is it a positive or a negative development? So, as said, most of the time questions remain the same, but with time, the way they ask the question changes. So be prepared with that and have a thorough knowledge of the different contexts. And I'm pretty sure you are going to confidently handle the task too in the real IELTS exam. Another question that the examiner can ask you, and it is a very popular essay. मेरे पता ही नहीं कितने students को over the time period ये essay आ चुका है, and the essay is: the role of teachers would be replaced by computers one day or in near future. How far you agree or disagree? That means अगर computers होंगे तो classroom में मैं नजर नहीं आऊंगा. अगर आपको चाहिए कि मैं नजर आता रहूं तो आपको points present करने होंगे favor में टीचर के, और अगर मैं क्लासरूम में नहीं चाहिए तो लिख दीजिएगा कि कंप्यूटर उनको रिप्लेस कर देंगे. Well, how many of you want to join my actual classroom, my physical institute in CD Moga? ये मुझे comment section में definitely बताइएगा. Another question that the examiner can ask you is related to the business. Businesses are investing more and more on the packaging of goods. What do you think are the positives and negatives of this? Packaging, wrapping, प्रोडक्ट्स जो मैन्युफैक्चरर्स बनाते हैं, मैन्युफैक्चर करने के बाद उनको डिलीवर करने होते हैं टू द रिटेलर्स, टू द स्टोर्स वेयर दे ultimately reach the end users. However, what we see these days that the manufacturers are investing heavily on their packaging to make it even more attractive. So the question is whether the investment on packaging is worth it or not. So you have to whether agree or disagree, and different approaches to handle agree or disagree essays. Make sure you follow that accordingly. And every time, every essay I discuss with you, you have to primarily take care of the task response. कोई भी ऐसा पॉइंट मत इंट्रोड्यूस करना अपने ऐसे में जो टास्क रिस्पॉन्स से बाहर हो. ना तो अंडर होना चाहिए, ना आउट ऑफ द टास्क रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए. Make sure you cover each and every aspect of the essay. Next question can be: some people think that children of deprived families are better prepared to face challenges in their later lives, while others think that children of affluent families are in a better position. Discuss both views and give your opinion. I hope you have many live examples of such who were from very poor families, जिनके background बहुत ही poor रहा है, and they have faced the challenges in lives. At the same time, जो बहुत ही ज़्यादा blessed होते हैं, born with a silver spoon in their mouths, you have to justify that why some people say that they are in a better position. So present your views accordingly, taking care of both the aspects. Then you have to give your opinion, what you personally feel that who is in better position. Next essay is, which is quite popular at this time and it's been asked in this year already. It's about the sponsorship in sports. Businesses are investing heavily in sports and sponsoring tournaments and the sports stars. What do you think the benefits and drawbacks sponsorship bring to the world of sport? Here, many students, rather every student, commit the mistake by introducing some points in the essay justifying that it would benefit the business, it would help to promote the sale of the business. But the context is entirely different. यहाँ पर आपसे business point of view से नहीं पूछा गया. Task response says that how it benefits the world of sport. So if it benefits, you have to say that how sponsorship benefits the sports. And if there is any drawback, then what negatives or what are the negative aspects of sponsorship in terms of sports, right? So make sure you do not introduce any point that talks about business or anything else, even economy, that it can help to boost the economy as sports can generate a lot of revenue. This thing either won't fit properly up there. Next question, which can be equally popular for the GD as well as academic students, that some people think that watching television is a source of education, others think it is a source of entertainment. Fairly easy topic. I really don't think that you'll be having any kind of trouble in handling such an easy task. Another one is dress code at workplace. Some people think that our dress code should be mandatory at workplace. How far you agree or disagree? Dress code means uniform, and since स्कूल में हम सब ने यूनिफॉर्म पहना है, लेकिन दिस क्वेश्चन इज अबाउट एट वर्क प्लेस. आप किसी अच्छी कंपनी को ज्वाइन करें, क्या आप यूनिफॉर्म पहनना पसंद करेंगे? क्या आप यूनिफॉर्म पहनना नहीं पसंद करेंगे? दोनों सिचुएशंस में खुद को रख के सोचिएगा. बहुत अच्छे और क्लियर पॉइंट्स आपके माइंड में आएंगे, एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू रियली नीड टू प्रेजेंट इन योर एसे. आई डेफिनेटली कंसीडर इट टू बी एन इजी एसे फॉर द IELTS एग्जाम. नेक्स्ट वन इज, many people these days are taking medical advice online. So, what do you think are the positive and the negatives of this? बहुत सारे, आपको पता है आजकल YouTube चैनल को देखकर ही लोग अपना ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट कर देते हैं. बहुत सारे इंटरनेट पर वेबसाइट्स हैं, ब्लॉग्स हैं, हेल्थ एक्सपर्ट्स अवेलेबल रहते हैं. Think of the positives that are behind the pictures, like how medical or healthcare advice availability online can benefit the people, and the negative aspects should be also considered, that how it can be disadvantageous. Let's take another essay, and this time it is from the context of education. Along with academics, universities should prepare the youngsters for workplace as well. How far you agree or disagree? As you know, university degrees are usually confined to academics only. University students learn a lot about their profession, but it's usually theoretical. So prepare them for the workplace. It's about giving them the practical skills that would be required at workplace. Then there can be similar essay saying that OJT, that is on-job training, should be a compulsory aspect of university learning. Many of you would be graduates who have completed their graduate degrees and must have attended some training sessions as well. So you should be in the position to present the benefits and drawbacks if universities introduce the practical learning related to the workplace for the students. Another essay that I would be discussing with you is that in this world of internet, people write product reviews and services. Do you think it is a positive or negative? It's an important essay from last couple of years, not being asked in this year till now, so high chances that the examiner may ask you in the upcoming exam. बहुत easy essay है, आप सबने भी online कुछ ना कुछ buy किया है, and usually as a buyer we check the reviews and the ratings. In fact, बहुत सारे students मेरी application download करते हैं, they check the reviews and ratings, और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरी ऐप को rate नहीं किया है, प्लीज रेट कर दीजिए, 5 स्टार दे दीजिए अगर आपको अच्छा लगे. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो choice is yours, and do post the reviews as well. So that really helps other students in understanding that how this service or product is like. So what do you think are the benefits and drawbacks of writing the reviews and giving the ratings to the services available online? This is definitely another important essay for 2021. Finally, the essay that I will be sharing in today's video, and there would be more that I will be sharing in upcoming, that would be the part 3 of the most popular essays for 2021. I will be sharing it soon as well. So this essay is once again equally important for academic as well as GD students. It's about the lifestyle. More and more people are choosing to live on their own, or they do not want to start their families. Why it is happening, and do you think it's a positive or a negative trend? Well, earlier this thing was happening in the western countries, और अब तो हमारे यहाँ पर भी काफी होने लगी है. It's all about the influence of western culture. वहाँ पर ऐसे आपको लोग बहुत नजर आएंगे जो अपने फैमिली स्टार्ट नहीं करते हैं, अकेले रहते हैं, उनकी पर्सनल चॉइस रहती है to live on their own. So what you personally think can be the reasons that why some people choose to live on their own rather than starting up their own families, and is it really a positive? क्योंकि मुझे तो ये एक नेगेटिव सा ही लगता है. Until unless अगर हम पर्सनल ग्रोथ की बात करें कि जैसे कोई साइंटिस्ट है जिसको लगता है कि अगर फैमिली स्टार्ट हो गई, बच्चे आ गए तो डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो जाएगा, बट ओवरऑल इट्स नेगेटिव. सो आपको कोई ऐसा इंसान जानता हो जो अभी तक मैरिड नहीं है और उसको शादी कर लेनी चाहिए? मेरे माइंड में भी एक ऐसा पर्सन है. आइए देखते हैं क्या आप और मैं उस बंदे के बारे में ही सोच रहे हैं. अगर यस हुआ, that means उस बंदे को सच में शादी कर लेनी चाहिए. Well, this is pretty much all from my side in this video, guys. I hope you are making the list of the most important essays for 2021. And before I go, I would like to recommend you to purchase my IELTS Academic Success or IELTS GD Success courses that are available on my IELTS coaching application. If you want improvement in your writing, or you don't see any improvement in your writing, then this is the course that you should be buying. And for one-on-one training on writing module, you can definitely approach us anytime. The WhatsApp number is flashing and you can contact us for more details anytime. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.